Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable the automatic download of media in your WhatsApp application on PC or laptop, like for example images or pictures or GIFs or any media imaginable you get sent by your contacts on WhatsApp. And usually these get downloaded automatically, be it on your mobile device or on your computer, and you can turn this feature off, guys. Let me show you how to do it on PC or laptop. So launch the WhatsApp application here on your Windows, for example, and click into that button in the bottom left corner to access your account settings. From here, click into storage and simply disable automatic downloads for media here from that menu, like for example, for photos and images, audio, videos, and documents. As you can see, I disabled all of them. And now, guys, if the given contact sends me another message with an attached image or video, this media won't be automatically downloaded anymore. I will need to open it, manually click into the play button here within the video, or right click into the given image to download it manually. So no automatic download anymore. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.